Prepare yourself for an unforgettable adventure through the mesmerizing wonders of China. From the breathtaking Yuanyang rice terraces to the enchanting landscapes of Zhangjiajie, this country is overflowing with incredible places that will leave you absolutely amazed. Whether you're in search of ancient history, natural beauty, or vibrant culture, China has it all and more. Join us on this remarkable journey as we explore some of the most awe-inspiring destinations that are bound to make your trip an unforgettable experience. Let's dive in and create memories that will last a lifetime. Number 1. The breathtaking Yuanyang rice terraces. A natural wonder that captivates visitors from around the world. Located in the stunning Yunnan province of China, these terraces showcase the ingenuity and harmony between humans and nature. Stretching across the landscape, the Yuanyang rice terraces witnessed centuries of agricultural knowledge and sustainable farming practices. Carved into the mountainside, these terraces not only provide a picturesque panorama but also serve as an essential source of livelihood for the local Han ethnic minority. The cascading layers of vibrant green rice paddies create a mesmerizing sight that changes with each season. During spring, when water fills the fields, they reflect sunlight like mirrors, creating a surreal spectacle. In summer, when the rice plants grow tall and lush, the terraces transform into a sea of emerald waves gently swaying in the breeze. Number 2. UNESCO Heritage Shilin Stone Forest. An incredible UNESCO heritage site that showcases the wonders of nature. Located in Yunnan province, this mesmerizing landscape is known for its unique and stunning limestone formations. Visiting the Shilin Stone Forest is like stepping into a surreal world. The towering pillars of rock resemble a forest made entirely of stone, hence its name. These incredible formations have been shaped by millions of years of geological processes, creating an awe-inspiring sight. Indulge your passion for nature or satisfy your adventure cravings with a trip to the majestic Shilin Stone Forest. Get ready to embark on a captivating journey that promises an extraordinary adventure like no other. Number 3. Guilin and Yangshuo. Welcome to the spectacular Guilin and Yangshuo region. If you're looking for a destination that combines natural beauty, rich culture, and unforgettable experiences, look no further. Guilin and Yangshuo offer a breathtaking landscape that has captivated travelers for centuries. Guilin is renowned for its stunning karst mountains that rise dramatically from the Li River. These limestone formations create a picturesque backdrop that seems straight out of a painting. Whether you choose to cruise along the river, or hike through the scenic trails, every moment in Guilin is an opportunity to immerse yourself in nature's wonder. Venturing further into the region, you'll discover Yangshuo, a charming town nestled amidst towering peaks and lush countryside. Here, you can cycle through vibrant rice paddies or take a bamboo raft ride along the Yulong River. Experience the magic of this spectacular region as you create memories that will last a lifetime. So pack your bags and get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey through Guilin and Yangshuo, where nature meets culture in perfect harmony. Number 4. The Yellow Mountains. Huangshan, literally meaning the Yellow Mountain, is a breathtaking destination that offers a truly unique and awe-inspiring experience. This majestic mountain range is famous for its towering peaks, stunning landscapes, and ethereal beauty. With its peaks often shrouded in mystical clouds, the Yellow Mountains provide an otherworldly atmosphere. One of the main attractions of the Yellow Mountains is its picturesque hiking trails suitable for all skill levels. As you ascend the mountains, you'll be greeted with panoramic views of jagged cliffs, deep valleys, and cascading waterfalls. The ever-changing scenery creates a sense of wonder and adventure at every turn. Another highlight of visiting the Yellow Mountains is witnessing the famous Sea of Clouds phenomenon. When conditions are just right, clouds roll in and envelop the peaks in a sea-like blanket. This surreal sight creates a dreamlike atmosphere that transports visitors to another world. Watching the sunrise or sunset from one of the mountaintops while surrounded by these mystical clouds is an experience that will leave you speechless. Number 5. Lhasa and the Potala Palace. Step into the captivating realm of Tibet, where age-old customs and profound spirituality converge, forming a truly enchanting journey that will leave you spellbound. Experience the magic firsthand as ancient traditions come to life in a mesmerizing display unlike any other. In the heart of Tibet lies the city of Lhasa, a place that has captivated travelers for centuries with its rich cultural heritage and spiritual significance. At the center of Lhasa stands the iconic Potala Palace, a majestic architectural marvel that serves as a symbol of Tibetan Buddhism. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is not only an awe-inspiring sight to behold but also holds deep religious significance for Buddhists around the world. As you step foot inside this sacred sanctuary, you will be transported into a realm of tranquility and devotion. The Potala Palace is not just a historical monument, it is a pilgrimage site for those seeking spiritual enlightenment. Every corner of this magnificent palace exudes an aura of reverence and spirituality. Discovering Lhasa and experiencing the grandeur of Potala Palace is not just about visiting another tourist destination, it's about connecting with your inner self and embracing spirituality in its purest form. No matter if you are an experienced globetrotter or someone on a spiritual quest, embarking on this transformative journey to the spiritual core of Tibet will undoubtedly leave a profound and lasting impression on your very being. Number 6. Zhangjiajie Valley. A place where nature paints its own masterpiece. Nestled in the heart of China's Sichuan province, this enchanting destination is a true feast for the senses. With its breathtaking landscapes and vibrant lakes that showcase an array of colors, Zhangjiajie Valley is a visual spectacle like no other. Designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Zhangjiajie Valley is renowned for its crystal-clear turquoise lakes that reflect the surrounding mountains and forests. These mesmerizing bodies of water are known for their ever-changing hues, from shades of emerald green to brilliant sapphire blue. As you wander along the wooden walkways that meander through the valley, you'll feel as if you've stepped into a living painting. The valley is also home to numerous cascading waterfalls that add an extra touch of magic to the already stunning landscape. From roaring torrents to delicate wisps of water gracefully descending from above, each waterfall has its own unique charm and allure. Immerse yourself in nature's kaleidoscope of colors as you explore Zhangjiajie Valley's diverse ecosystem. Marvel at the rich biodiversity that thrives within this pristine environment, from rare plant species to elusive wildlife such as pandas and golden monkeys. Allow yourself to be transported into a world where every turn reveals another breathtaking vista and where nature reigns supreme. Number 7. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park. A breathtaking destination that should be on every nature lover's bucket list. Located in the Hunan province of China, this park is renowned for its stunning natural beauty and unique rock formations. One of the most iconic features of Zhangjiajie National Forest Park is the towering sandstone pillars that rise majestically from the ground, creating a surreal landscape that seems straight out of a fantasy movie. These towering pillars, known as the Avatar Hallelujah Mountain due to their appearance in the film Avatar, are a sight to behold and have become an emblem of this extraordinary park. Aside from its awe-inspiring rock formations, Zhangjiajie National Forest Park is also home to lush forests, tranquil streams, and cascading waterfalls. The park offers numerous hiking trails that allow visitors to explore its natural wonders up close and personal. Whether you choose to take a leisurely stroll or embark on an adventurous trek, you will be rewarded with panoramic views and encounters with unique flora and fauna. In a breathtaking finale, this captivating video comes to a close, leaving us in awe of the wonders of China. We sincerely appreciate your presence on this incredible journey and eagerly anticipate our next adventure together. Thank you for joining us.